What is going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? We made it to river once again. Let me get geared up and rigged up so we could get these lines wet. As you can see, it's so overcast. It finally quit raining for a few, but hopefully we don't get a poured on rain. So, good old Tennessee River. Let's see what we could catch. See you guys in a few. Alright guys, so we're rigged up. 4-pound braid. We're gonna use this crawl. Let's see what happens. Let's just have fun. Let's see if they'll bite it during the winter time. Let's make our first cast. Let's get the lines wet. Let's let it sink. Make sure our drag is nice and tight. Let's just work it slow. As you guys can see, I'm the only one here so far. I'm not sure how the crawl moves. I'm not sure how it looks underwater. First catch. Let's see how it looks underwater. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Kind of feels a little heavy for this line. Alright. I think it snapped. Nope. Yeah, we should be good. I'll keep you guys updated, you guys. After an hour, first catch. Thing is, look at the bait compared to the little shaft. Alright guys, my GoPro decided to act up. I got a fish. Kinda hard to record. It feels pretty big. Fucking GoPro. Catfish. Kinda hard to land because my fucking GoPro ain't recording. God damn. I'll be right back. Swallow. You guys, somebody left this cooler for the catfish I caught. I'm fixing to grab it. I don't think it's nobody. Nobody's even here. Oh shit. They left all this. Oh. I guess I could use it for now. Whoa. It's pretty slippery. I'll see you guys back over there. Let's actually get some water. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Alright guys, we got a little bit of water, but that'll work. Just so you can stay alive, maybe. Oh, I'm out of breath. GoPro finally decided to turn on. They're pretty decent size. Oh Oh shit. There we go. A little bit of water is better than no water. Whew, that was a mission. Let's see if we can catch something else. You guys fish on? Feels pretty heavy. Oh, he came off. Guys, I had a fish. I adjusted the drag a little bit and he dipped. I think I got something going on. So I let a lot of slack line. That way it can sink. Yeah, it looks like a lot. Somebody left some fucking roses in there. And we're just leaving it. God damn, I had another fish and it was big. I'm sure it was another catfish. Guys, fish on. Fish on. What can it be? My recorder? Yep. Fuck. Thought it was a fish. Cause I've been fucking bamboozled. It feels pretty heavy too. Wow. That was bullshit. That had a good one. Ni modo, así es la vida. Guys, I have something, but I don't know what it is. I don't think there's a fish. I don't see it moving. It's here close by. Fuck, I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, it's not a fish. I don't know what it is. Fuck. I'm not sure what it is. Fuck, it ripped. I don't know what it was. Oh well. Alright guys, I'm fixing to wrap up this video. It was intense catching the catfish. And the first little fish I caught was a little shad. Let's see if we can catch something right here. It's starting to get dark. I'm fixing to take the catfish I caught to my in-law. Make some good dinner. Yeah, let's take one more guys. Thanks for watching guys. Appreciate it. Peace.